In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract pages in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your document, then you want to go to the right-hand side and you want to click on Organize Pages. In here, you'll see all your pages inside your document, and to extract it, it's very simple. First, you want to select the page or the pages you wish to extract. So if I click on the second one over here, for example, that one's going to get selected. But if I want to select more of them, I could go and select like this by kind of selecting them over like that. Or I could go and click on the first one, hold down my control key on the keyboard, and then click on the others that I want to select as well. And all of them are going to get selected, okay? You could also do a range. So for example, from here to here by holding down your shift key. So click on the first one inside a range, hold down the shift key, and then this one over here, and of course it's going to select that range. So we're just going to extract these two over here right now. So I'm going to click on them, and then you can either right click and click on extract pages, or you could go to the top here and click on extract. When you do so, it's going to basically prompt you to select these settings. You could go and extract pages as a separate file, or you could go and delete pages after extracting. So I don't want that. I'm just going to click on extract. And there we go, it's going to extract those files or pages inside my computer, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.